How to fix a paper jam on the HP LaserJet Pro P1106 Plus and P1108 Plus printer series. When the attention light blinks on the printer, this is an indication that you are experiencing a paper jam. Paper jams can occur in the following areas of the printer: the cartridge area, the output bin, and the input tray. Step 1. Clear jams from the paper path. Remove all paper from the input tray. Press and hold the power button to turn off the printer. Disconnect the power cord from the rear of the printer. Lift the cartridge access door. Grasp the handle on the cartridge and then pull it up and out of the printer. Avoid touching the drum on the cartridge to prevent damaging it. If you can see any jammed paper in the cartridge area or output areas, carefully grasp the jammed paper with both hands and slowly pull it out of the printer. Slide the cartridge back into its slot in the printer until it clicks into place. Close the cartridge access door. Check the input tray with a flashlight. If you can see any jammed paper, carefully grasp the paper with both hands and slowly pull it out of the printer. Reconnect the power cord to the printer and the printer powers on. If it does not, press the power button to turn on the printer. Load paper into the input tray and adjust any guides so they rest on the edge of the stack. Try printing a document again. If the error persists, continue to the next step. Step 2. Reset the printer. With the printer powered on, disconnect the power cord from the rear of the printer. Wait at least 60 seconds, and then reconnect the power cord. Turn on the printer. Wait until the printer is idle and silent. Try printing a document again. If the issue continues, service the printer. Contact HP at support.hp.com for service and warranty options. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.